I thought that would probably.
Okay, so this is gonna be a review based on this product that I purchased, and I'm gonna show you what it is. So this right here is a full-size sleeve. Okay, it is pretty much the same concept as what the kids would buy out the gumball machines, but this is the thing. You know, getting ink or getting a full sleeve is very expensive. Number two, it's permanent, and to move it will be costly. So I'm saying if you can get something like this for summer, or you have a vacation planned, or you're going to the beach to spend a weekend or whatever, friends, family, loved one, you can purchase something like this. Put it on for whatever amount of time, take your pictures, have your fun, and then when it's over with, it's over with. And the next event, you could use something different. So what if it's not permanent? There's so many different designs to choose from. I think this is like actually the best option. Yes, I do have permanent ink, but I will not be getting any more because I have changed my mind about my body being a canvas. So I'll just start off by saying that it took 3 weeks to be delivered. I sent the seller an email right after purchasing it. He said it took 3 weeks to get there. It got there in exactly 3 weeks. I bought more than one, but this is the one that I'm going to use. So just based on that, for delivery, they're going to get a 10 out of 10. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply it. I'll show you. I've already cleaned all the hair off my arm. You see, this is my permanent tattoo right here. So I'm going to put it on my left arm. Already clean shaved the hair off of it. It's pretty much, hairless right now. I'm going to put it on. So the review is going to say how easy it was to apply, because unfortunately it didn't come with instructions, but I mean, we pretty much know how these things are applied. How long it lasts, whether or not it irritated my skin, and once I get that information, then I'll re-upload so I can show you guys. But also after I put it on, I will post another video showing how it came out, but then subsequently another one to show how long it lasted, whether or not the area got irritated, and we'll take it from there. And basically, I'm going to be ordering a bunch of these and have them for sale, of different designs. So if anybody's interested, you could always just hit me up in the comments, and you know, for a price, or whatever, if you want shipped, and stuff like that. So let's do it.